Fisrach. Machnamhach. Wow, caiimé sin a scríobh síos. Tá marúil orm. Oh, no, tá sé amanis. Sílam go bhfuil tú ré, Declan.
Now, as discussed last week, our targets have changed dramatically since Q1, but our process remains unchanged, with a few minor exceptions. Now, HR are insisting that phase 2 be brought forward as a matter of priority, but I had a word upstairs and it's looking like that's still months away. Right, in very broad strokes. Declan, is there a problem? Yeah, I know this is thrilling stuff, Declan, but do try to contain your excitement. Now, in very broad strokes, we're looking at taking some net gain.
Shall use it, Nish.
Will tú ré mar sin?
Yeah, you're on my sure chuis bhealach.
It seems it could correspond with the 2020 pattern too.
Ach, the yads at least. Trashastic or memes on. You get a radish.
Just show thumbs up.
Just an fuair chúiseach nach bhfuil. Is méid the show the gamsa.
Yeah, ach sé an iireachtas lú a bheith tá chur bhreagra agus orintí sin burfa. You know, bacóir go nílach gach siopa in air and crisp sandwiches. Tá deis á cáilíonn deag na delis.
Which gríomar sin amach lia?
Sé go hálinn.
Dar no way.
Ní áiríonn mhaim an aimsir do thaobh sitíre. Ach, áiríonn mhaim an crack.
Ní gáil mar chéile hiile.
Gan na pubs nó gan mise?
Chorad.
Ar bhíú éilú an gcuine mar sin?
Yeah. Níl chance ng Ross in éonad mar seo mar chusa.
Aoife, what's the crack?
Jamie, what's the story?
I said to Saoirse, I think that's Aoife over there on the green. So I came over to see if it was you, and it is.
Well, here I am.
You keeping well?
Good, yeah?
Chatting away, were you?
Yeah, just chatting to a mate.
Proper little picnic and all that.
Well, you know yourself.
I thought it all looked a bit romantic, but then I thought, geez, that doesn't sound like Aoife. That would seem like too much commitment for you.
Bráin an frí sin. Cad a bhí tú ag rá?
Cad a bhí tú ag rá? That's a bit thick.
I know. Look, dúir sé go raibh fáib éigean aige le obair agus an sin dog sé agus an sin heol mis a teacht fada chuige ach níl sé ag scríomhar eiste manis.
Stress at that.
Just níl mé an anna a léamh.
I mean, féidir nach go smí hásta an anchor. Féidir nach chúla sé rud.
Féidir.
Excuse me! I'm gonna have to change these tyres myself!
Oh God. Sorry, be there in a sec.
Ridiculous.
State of your Aoife, be sé all right.
Oh. Féidir nach mai.
Fá, cé dúirt sé?
Thumbs up.